Keyword research isn't dead, but if we're being real, it's not enough anymore. The game has changed. AI overviews are now taking over the top of Google results before people even click anything. Because when you search on Google now, the first thing you see isn't a website, it's an AI answer with sources already chosen for you. And if you're not one of those sources, you don't exist in that particular search. So the question isn't what keyword should I rank for, it's how do I become the answer? And that's where SemRush 1 and their prompt research tool comes in. And thank you to SemRush for sponsoring this video. And not only that, but SemRush has also been very generous to let you try them out for 14 days completely free via my affiliate link in the description below at no extra cost to you. Prompt research is basically the new way of doing keyword research, but instead of targeting search terms, you're targeting the exact questions people are asking AI tools and search engines. So let's hop into my screen so you can have a better look at it. So inside the prompt research tool, you can type in any topic or question that you want to explore, and instead of just giving you keywords, it shows you the actual prompts people are typing into AI search engines. Now, what's really powerful here is you can break this down by region too. So you can see topic volume across places like US, Canada, UK, Germany, and so much more. And you can also switch between different AI search engines like ChatGPT, Gemini, and others, depending on where you want to analyze visibility. And right away, you can see the scale here, and there are millions of topics being tracked, thousands of prompts, and tens of thousands of intent signals. So this isn't guesswork, this is real search behavior at scale. What's really powerful is how this breaks down intent. You can see the percentage of informational, commercial, navigational, transactional, and task-based prompts. So instead of just knowing what people are searching, you actually understand why they're searching it. Then as you scroll down, you start to see related topics. And these aren't suggestions, they're actual prompts people are actively using in AI search tools. And when you click into one, you can hit view full response for the full AI response. This is where it gets interesting because you're not just seeing what people asked, you're seeing what AI actually answered. From there, you can see exactly what brands are being mentioned, what source the AI is pulling from, and even the full response breakdown, including when it was last updated. So instead of guessing what content might work, you actually see what is already being researched and surfaced and where you're potentially missing out on traffic. You can also drill into the sources themselves, which shows you exactly where the AI is getting its information from. So you're not just seeing the answer, you're seeing the entire ecosystem behind it, like the domains, the authority sources, and how often they're being referenced. And what's even more powerful is you can click create content and it will generate a full article based on that exact prompt or search term. It'll give you an SEO optimized title, related keywords, and you can generate full blog posts anywhere from 500 all the way up to 5,000 words. And although this is an add-on feature and does require an additional subscription, I can see how much time this can save in order to help your website show up in AI results. So what this tool really does is shift how you think about research. You're no longer just looking for keywords, you're seeing the prompts, the brands being mentioned, the sources being cited, and even how much visibility and traffic those prompts are generating. This is why prompt research is so powerful because it shows you exactly where attention is going in AI search and who is capturing it right now. Now, finding the right prompts is only half the battle. If AI search engines can't probably crawl and understand your website, you're going to struggle to show up in these search results no matter how good your content is. Now, one thing I recommend is checking your site audit in the SEO section of SemRush. This gives you an overall health score for your website and highlights technical issues that could be holding you back. Now, personally, I know that I have a lot of work to do on my own site, but one area that's becoming increasingly important is AI search health. You want to make sure that there aren't any issues preventing AI systems from accessing, understanding, or crawling your content. If your site is blocked or difficult to crawl, you're essentially taking yourself out of the running before the race even starts. So by fixing these issues and improving your site's health, you're giving search engines and AI systems a much better chance of finding, understanding, and citing your content. Once your site is technically sound, the next question becomes, how does your brand actually compare to the competition? And that's where brand performance comes in. Not only can you see competing brands in your space, but you also get AI-generated insights based on the latest data available. One metric that I find particularly interesting is voice versus sentiment. Now, voice shows how often your brand is being mentioned, while sentiment helps you understand whether those mentions are positive, neutral, or negative. This gives you a much clearer picture of how your brand stacks up against competitors and where you may need to improve. Another feature worth looking at is competitor research. Now, one of the fastest ways to improve your AI visibility is to understand who's already winning. You can see which brands are consistently appearing in AI-generated responses, how visible are they across different platforms, and where they're gaining mentions that your brand isn't. And this can be incredibly helpful for identifying content gaps and opportunities. So if a competitor is being cited repeatedly for topics related to your niche, that's a strong signal that AI systems view them as a trusted source. From there, you can analyze what they're doing well and create more comprehensive content that deserves to be part of those conversations. And what I really like is that SemRush doesn't just show you the data, it also provides AI strategic opportunities. These are recommendations based on current trends and performance data that can help you identify content opportunities, topics to target, and areas where your brand may be missing visibility. You'll also find key sentiment drivers and areas for improvement, which can help you understand what's influencing how people and AI systems perceive your brand. So instead of guessing what content to create next, you're getting data-backed recommendations on what to target and how to position your content more effectively. And once you've started implementing those recommendations, you can head back to the visibility overview to see how your brand is performing across different AI platforms and search experiences. This gives you a clear view of where your brand is appearing, how visible it is, and whether your efforts are actually improving your presence in AI search over time. SemRush brings AI and traditional SEO together in one place, so you're not just optimizing for Google anymore. You're also optimizing for AI search results across tools like Chat, Gemini, and Perplexity. You can track your brand presence across all of these platforms, see how often you're being cited, and understand where competitors are showing up instead of you. And what I find the most powerful is the combination of prompt research and site crawlability, because it's not just about finding what people are searching for, it's also making sure that your website is actually accessible and structured in a way that AI systems can pull answers from your content. At the end of the day, you can rank #1 on Google, but still not be the source AI chooses to cite, and that's the shift happening right now. That's where visibility is moving. So again, if you want to stay ahead of that shift and get an edge before competitors do, you can try SemRush for 14 days for free via my affiliate link in the description below. And as always, if you did find this video valuable or useful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you never miss another video from me. Thanks so much for watching and keep building your dream.